So, I am playing, Ragdoll Engine again, and what the, how do you change your faces? That's cool. Hi, I guess. But yeah, we're playing, Ragdoll Engine again, and I'm just gonna be playing it and exploring. What is this? Oh, I want to see this. What happens when you do this? Okay, let's see. Also, look at my little frog shirt. It's cute. I like it. Okay, let's play. I'm gonna flip upside down. Okay, there we go. This is cool. Okay then. I also put balloons onto myself. Okay, hi. 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 Okay. Well, it is confusing me. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, let's do this. I love this little, thing. Neon. Colored. Me. Let's do yellow. No, wait. Green. Whee! I look weird. Okay. I'm an alien. Whoa. That is creepy. This is so cool. It's like, I don't know. It's cool. Whoa, what's going on? Okay, that was weird. Okay, wow, okay. What is going on? Name me core blocks. Want a free chat tag? See the information board at the middle of the map. And whoa, okay. I want to do this. How do you? It's like straight but crooked at the same time. How does? What? So you start. Oh, I think I was going the wrong way. Wait, was I? Yeah, I was. Okay. Whee! I like how you can fall sideways. That's weird. Okay. This way. Hi. Hi. Name me Sunflower? That's a cool name. Okay. Let's do... Char me robot 5041. Oh, dang it. Well, we're almost there. There we go. Whoa. There we go. What is going on? This is weird. I don't think I like this. Whee! The balloons will make me fly. No. Stop. Okay. Oh, I want to go on the building. Please? What is going on? Am I okay? I don't think I'm okay. What am I doing? I'm not. Oof. Whee! Balloons made me fly. Okay. Oh my god, wee! Wee! Okay. Wait. Oh, wait. What if I ragdolled sideways? Can I do that? Wait, can I actually do that? I want to see if I can do that. Well, I can't do it sideways, but... No! I almost fell off the map. Okay, Okay, this is, absolutely oof. Okay. Why am I glitching like that? That's weird. She's cool. Okay, ooh. Char me. Boom. Hee hee hee. How did he do that? Okay. Char me. Okay, don't stop. What the? Okay, char me. Whoa. Wait, what? Char me. Oh. Okay, char me banana man 237. No way. Okay, then neon, and then color me black. That. No way. How did you do that? I don't know how you did that. How did you do that? Family? This is creepy. I'm gonna follow this person around and see what they do. The heck? What was that all about? What was that about? You know what? Spin. Sure. This is probably gonna be spooky too. Hopefully not. Creepy. Ghost me. Wait, I did that. Okay, ghost me. Color me black. There you go. Wait, what? Oh. I want to talk to that person, see what they were doing. You know what? Char me Alexa Bliss. Yay! Okay, now where did that person go? There you go. Okay, please say I don't have the oh, I still have the walk on walls. Wait, do I? Oh, I still do. This is weird. Well, I guess that's the end of this video. Bye.